morning to everyone. This is Sudha Madhavi. I am studying 10th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am coming from Pioneers Group. Today I am standing in front of you all to explain about statistical analysis. What is statistical analysis? It is the process of collecting and organizing, interpreting and presenting data to uncover patterns, trends and relationships. It involves the application of statistical methods to summarize and make inferences about data, allowing researchers to draw conclusions based on the sample data and to draw conclusions or make predictions. This statistical analysis can be descriptive where data is summarized by using the measures like median, mode and standard deviation, or inferential where data is drawn, conclusions are drawn about a population based on the sample data by using the techniques like hypothesis testing, regression and probability distribution. Now let us see about statistical analysis methods. The statistical analysis methods can be broadly divided into two main types. Those are descriptive and inferential. Each of these has various specific methods based on depending on the nature of the data and goal of the analysis. Now let us see about the descriptive statistical methods. These methods are drawn about a population and it is used in the following ways like measures of central tendency. It includes mean, the average of all data points, mode, the most occurring repeating values, and the third one is median, the middlemost value of the data set. Let us see about the measures of dispersion. Those include the range. The difference between the highest and the lowest values is called the range. Variance. The average of squared difference from the mean. And the standard deviation. It is about the square root of differences between the highest and the lowest values and the frequency distribution. It represents the frequent values, certain values occurs. Percentages and quartiles indicates how the data is distributed about the data set. And another one is the hypothesis testing. It is used to compare the means of two groups, and the Chias-Quater's test for relationship between two categorical variables. And another one is inferential statistical methods. These methods are used to draw the conclusions about a population based on the sample data. And now let us see about these types of statistical methods. Those include the 6 types. Those are descriptive statistical analysis, inferential statistical analysis, descriptive statistical analysis, inferential
pointer.
Descriptive statistical analysis, inferential statistical analysis, predictive statistical analysis, prescriptive statistical analysis, mechanical analysis, exploratory data analysis, and casual statistical analysis. Now let us see about descriptive statistical analysis. The purpose is about the summarizes or describes the main features of the data set. And measures are like mean, mode, median, standard deviation, frequency distribution, and visual presentation like histograms and box plots. Example is calculating the average income of a specific region. And the second type is mechanical analysis. The purpose is to explains how the temperature, explains how the variables are related based on the correlation, missing data, data type, pattern, data visualization, and data quality. These are the techniques of the EDA exploratory data analysis. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Have a nice day.